So what's up, guys? Today video now, this thing I want to show you now, very simple something. You see, this is my pocket design now. I think maybe you would like to do something like this for your customer, you understand, so that maybe you go visit and upgrade your work because you don't know the kind of pocket you want to do before, but this one will just step up the work. So this one I just do here now, just simple something, but it's very unique. If you don't check and well, go to something you go fit just get. But if you just check the video step by step, the way I did, I'm going to say very something you say you go like use for your client. So if you want to get the pocket now, the first thing we will first do now to just get all the material we want to use to form the pocket. So this one color gum. So put the color and color stay. So this one we do now the design, the color we go see they see for the middle. So this one I no get measurement. I just measure like 4.5 or 4 inches sharp. So this one and 6 inches now the length. So the wideness of this our pocket now 4.5, that is 4.5. Then this one the length go be 5.5. So now it be that. So this middle part why I cut come out, I don't cut already. So now it be this. So within this middle part now just 2.5. Then the length 4 inches. The length 4 inches. The wideness 2.5. So that this one are accurate measure. So that after I form the pocket finish, the pocket no go too wide. So this one I will come out them. You will see use them. So now this one I will first start with. So after that, this one I will do the up. So I will give what that shape we want for that up. So you understand. So I will just show you the process. Make I just begin the video. So the first thing I go first do now is just gum my pocket. I'll gum this on top this black because the black now the main pocket. So after I don't gum this one finished, so you need to cut the middle. You understand now? You need to cut the middle, then fold down. You go fold down, come up. So after I don't do that one finish, the next thing I have to gum this one. Sorry, no. So the next thing I have to gum this one. So this one I won't gum now. I'll just gum ST for the back. Just gum ST for the back. You see now. So as I did like this now, we just make sure to get the middle part. That's the middle gator, so that if you want to do the setting of that rope, you will fit set and way. So understand. Just make sure so this thing give me small gator for that middle. Not here. This one now just like this a good day. So this one now will come later because we will gum this one. So the next one I will gum here now. This one we there now I will gum now. So after I don't gum this one finish now, I will just make sure say I cut this place equal, then I cut this one, I fold down, I will fold this side, then do this side itself. I will need to fold down. So this side will leave this side, only this side now I will fold. So if I don't fold and finish, then I will come back to continue. So after we don't gum this part now, I don't fold down. Now if you want fold this part now, you need to use hemi gum. That is a temporary hemi gum. You need to use them for that part. So that the thing will fit gum and not going to come out. The same thing I don't fold this side too. So what I will just do now is I will keep this side. Then you need to trim this side. Now we don't need this side here. The second side the same thing. You don't need them. Even the upper part. You leave the upper part like that because you go use and fold down later. So the next thing we'll go do now, this one we will work on. This one now. Then we need something like this. This rope now. We use and form a rope, but the rope now rope you go turn. This one has 16.5 now you give me. So the wideness if you make 1.2 or 1.1. So I'll go my machine and go fold down like this, then sew am. So I go turn am, then come back. So I will show you the next thing we will do. I don already turn am. So the next thing I go do here now to just get the middle part here. You see this thing, they give me small getter. So that getter wey they give me, and then I will start my design form. So I need to just divide this one into 3. So after I cut this one into 3 like this, now the middle part be this. We just place this one for the middle part. Then make sure say now the sewing part here, see the line, and then it go face up. The sewing part now it go face up like this, so that you no go do mistake. If you go face down, if you want turn am, that sewing part now go dey show. So wetin go just dey in between now, just 0.5, that is half inch. You just measure 0.5 here in between the 3 of them. So 0.5 for this side, 0.5 from here too. Now you go dey like, you go just separate like that. 0.5 dey okay, you no pass like that. So if you don't do like that finish, get the middle point, then measure for your middle point, measure 0.5, go like this, then 0.5 go like this. So wetin I go first do now be say I'll go my machine, go sew am. I go do that 0.5 I tell you. Wetin I try to be say you go just get your middle part like this, fit chuck am straight. So maybe that's I want to show you. I know if I know to measure am, but this is I want to show you. So from this part now, you will just measure 0.5. So this part self 0.5, that is making it 1 inch for the wideness. You will stitch am here, stitch am here. You understand? You will do this one, do the 3 of them like that. Then we'll come back. Then I will explain the way it dey be for you. Just place the hemi gum for this part. Then make sure say the thing form for that middle way you want making day. Then gum am. Do this side itself, the same thing. After doing that finish, the next thing I'll go do now, I'll go sew am like this. I'll go sew am. So if I sew am finish, I will come back, we'll come explain. So after we don't do like this finish, the next thing we will do here now be say. So wetin I dey do here now be say the one wey you cut comot, the one wey I first cut comot, I don gum am back. Now I dey try gum back now. Say I dey gum am back. So after we gum am finish now, the next thing now to just apply the shape we want making dey for the upper part. And now we can just apply am. So you understand? So after I don gum am finish, now this go look like. So you see the way they be, because you know go just dey 4 corner like this, because here you know to dey neat based on the way we take fold am. So we just make am like this. You see am say it dey round. So for us to get this part well, so wetin I will just do, I will just apply my hemming gum for this part. So we use this hemming gum now, take gum am. Make sure before you gum am, make sure say set am well. So we don't gum am like that. So the next thing now, we just fold this part. Then we'll go sew am like this. You sew this one like this now. Go sew am like this. Fold it up. So before you go sew am, we will need to fold this up so that our machine self will fit hold this part. So don't do that mistake what I do here. The mistake what I do is say this allowance wey dey for this up now no dey enough. So you make sure say you put enough allowance so that it go fit come down well well, so that by the time you want person don dey use am, you no go dey, the pocket no go loose comot. So this one I go gum hemming gum. You know say this hemming gum na tempo hemming gum. So as I gum this hemming gum now, wetin go make this thing stay now na this sewing wey I go sew. If I don sew am finish, the next na I just trim the excess wey dey for the back, for the side, then carve am where I want making the pocket just look like more. Then I go show you wetin I go do next. So after I don come and finish, you say this thing now dey look sharp, dey see am. But as the things now, I no go fit just fold the side. I need to turn the pocket round. So for people who don't know how to turn am, make I just show the process. I know some of you know how to turn the pocket, but I wan show another way how you go take turn am wey go dey very easy. You make sure say the side like this, you make sure say it dey stretch. You see say this part dey stretch, na this part now I go use. Because if I use am straight, e no go dey, pocket no go round well. So now I will come process it to my machine now to show you how I go take turn the last part of the tutorial. So to make this edge now dey neat, to make this part now dey neat, just look for the back and front of this thing. This thing we don cut, just cut the long as you want. You understand? No get measurements. So this one I will just do now be say after I place am like this now, I need to turn and go back. You turn this part now, you need to turn and go back finish. So that if you turn and go back, it go dey easy for us to sew. So after I don sew that part, you go make that starting dey neat. So now this one we dey turn and go back with that. You come sew am. So after we don iron am, na it be this. So the next na to just sew the part, so that if you know say this part now dey hard for you to sew, just wash close so you see the way I dey sew am. And if you wan sew this part, I no need to rush at all, because if you